guys, welcome back to Silly Aubrey. I'm Aubrey, and today we're going to be looking at my animals with my little sister Bailey.
Hi.
And we're going to start with the goats, then the horses, then the cows, and then the pigs. So let's get started. Okay, so this is little Anne. And she is super cute. Come here, little Anne. And then we have Harry.
Can I hold it, Sissy?
Hi, little Anne. And then we have Harry, the black and white one. And then the horses. And my horse is the one drinking. His name is Romeo. And the other one is Jake. He's standing back there. He is the mule. So we have Romeo and Jake. And then, okay, so then we have Owen, the black and white one, and Gus, the brown one. Ready to go to the cows? Okay, then we have Linda and Leroy, the cows. Linda is that one, Leroy is that one. Come on, little girl.
She's in there sleeping.
She is in that box sleeping, so. Oh, there she comes. Come on, little girl. Come on, little girl. Little girl. Bailey, stop. Yeah, she's not gonna come, but yeah.
She's not a
Pig isn't. Little girl. Okay, well that was all the animals that we have today. So we'll see y'all later. Bye.
Bye.